sample that you guys have in front of you is called the Three Sisters dip.
We are in our third year of DYAD Travel Food Exploration, and we cover the Dominican Republic this year, and then also covering Costa Rica again.
Are you going to Costa Rica or Dominican Republic?
We want them to have some level of background and preparation when they go over to their new country, and then also just to give them some encouragement to try new things when they get over there.
You guys remember your 5 senses?
They were able to learn about the culture, the food that they will be potentially eating, and it removes the nervousness away. It gives them a sneak peek into what they're stepping into.
Always want to use all 5 of your senses.
I really enjoyed the fact that we got to actually try food before going to the trip.
I feel like it was very good. It was very interactive, and we got get a small experience beforehand before we got over there, and we got to talk about it. It wasn't necessarily just jumping to conclusions of what we may experience. We actually know about it now.
Having that partnership with DYAD is a very valuable thing, especially for our students, because we want them to be able to have the excitement when they go over there. We want them to be able to try those foods, and then we also want them to have that level of education and the excitement so that they start to want to travel and go around the world when they become adults.
I think it's very cool how there's a diverse ethnicity and a diverse culture, and how it all just mixed in, and how you are able to really taste it within the food.